Hey guys, we're Walkaround 505 here, and today I'm going to walk around look on this 2004 Infiniti FX35 all-wheel drive. And this is going to be a full in-depth tour of the FX35. We start the engine from the form, show the exhaust clip in front, and the inside shows the outside. And so, without further ado, let's get ahead and start up. Let it run. The red exterior with a black cloth interior, and let's go ahead and let's start up. This car is 17 years old. It's a 2004. This car is 43,994 miles. And let's go and get started up. Yeah, starts right up. It's perfect. Oh man, leather wrapping steering wheel, and the fog lights, headlights, hazards, automatic driver's window. Yeah, and let's show the exterior, shall we? Yeah. Show the exterior, shall we? $504 cathodic. Yeah, a 4-liter 500 V6. See how this sounds.
It's one you bought.
Yeah. 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 Climate control. Your standard AM/FM radio with CD player. Yeah. Yeah. Digital clock, garage home.
Well, they make fun of our swing.
Yeah. Check the back seat, folks. Check the back seat. It looks like yeah, cup holders and the DVD entertainment system. That's trying to watch DVD entertainment system. Let's try and watch some movies in the back. In the back. And looks trunk space. Yeah, it's okay out of the way. Yeah. Cloth seats, quite comfortable. Power windows, power storage. Yeah. Glove box. And well guys, in the brief look, walk around brief look on this 2004 Infiniti FX35. And here, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care.